Hi everyone, it's Donna from Florida Insurance Agency. Christmas is only 4 weeks away. It's going to be a different Christmas, I think, like it was a different Thanksgiving. So what I decided to do is just load you up with appetizers. Quick little tidbits. The one that I really love is French dip squares. Buy crescent rolls. You buy your roast beef. So you spray a 9 by 13 pan. You caramelize your onions. That's key first. Let them cool. Do that first. And then you layer your whole grain mustard, then your beef, then your provolone cheese with your caramelized onion on top. Open up another can of your crescent rolls. Put that on top. Pinch it down bake it. And then cut it in squares. And while it's baking, you can make your own au jus sauce, which we'll give you the ingredients for, which is basically broth and Worcestershire sauce. Or if you have a favorite one that you use, just use it. Again, French dip squares.